what destiny is. Destiny is not in our hand. But I am very proud to tell that though Manmohan Singh is no more, he is still alive. His contribution to the nation from a small common man who was striving for food. Whatever he has made the act in the constitution, through the constitution, it can't be changed. In many governments could not change the Aadhaar, the unique identification card. All the people for thousands of years who were in the forest got their right on the Forest Right Act. On a health scheme, Asha workers. Then the right to education. All the common farmers, laborers who could not get payment, who could not go and do labor work in other fields, also was being included in Manrega. So it is the greatest achievement, if I go and tell. So I have advised in Bangalore University, we are going to start a research center and a study center for all the students to work about, to teach about the economic, whatever the reforms he had created for the growth of the country. And he has laid down a big legacy in the Indian history.
His contribution to the world's
Fond
financial.
Fond memories of you.
Of course, I am telling you, when we said to Sonia Gandhi about that Narega, when a private, because our local people can't do this wages in their other land, then when I gave a proposal, she wrote to Manmohan Singh, and Manmohan Singh agreed, and that is how that Narega, even in the private land, while leveling the land, doing agriculture, doing building their own ashrayas, it was being included.
Special package for farmers also.
And special packages for farmers also. On the nationalized bank, it was being waived off. So he has touched every section of the society. That is the biggest contribution he has. Politically, we have a lot of other significances. I will speak in the assembly.